Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. New trading session with Apex Trader Funding. We're trading with Nasdaq as always. Market is opening in less than 2 minutes. Tomato, good morning. Expecting for some good price action to the new all-time highs. Let's see, my friend. We're ready for it. No trades for you today. It's good as well. Oh wow, that's what the heck. Yesterday, what happened yesterday? Let's see. Oh, this is the 30-second chart. Let me go to the 50. Let's go to the daily chart. Good morning, everybody. There. Do we have news today? Let me. Oh, now I like that I have these things on the top. It reminds me to check news. Today is Thursday. We have 9:45. Let me change it. Chicago business barometer PMI at 9:45 and I don't know why that time did not work out exactly. Okay, wow, that's insane push. Do we have, that doesn't make sense. Did we have that gap? The heck, it happened yesterday. So we closed down, then we had Powell speaking, then we had Trump speaking. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's insane. What do we have here? Wow. I'm gonna put this area as a support, the 600s here. That looks the most interesting area right now, but absolutely insane. So we have a gap fill here. We have a gap here. We closed here. I'm gonna put this here. We have a gap lower. Good morning, Roshinko. Good morning, Bilal. Salam alaikum. Alfonso, Omar, Muhammad, Fayat. What happened yesterday made me money, and I'm happy to hear that. I'm honestly impressed by what. Oh my God, I'm 10 seconds delayed, by the way. I'm 10 seconds delayed. Absolutely insane that I have to fix all my charts. Absolutely. Oh, look at this, how it's running down. We have the opening. This is the closing of yesterday, so we have a gap lower, and we're just coming to like a skyrocket to the downside. Wow. Wow, we are flying. We're flying. We are flying, guys. We're flying. Oh my God. Oh my God. Are we, guys? How much was that on a freaking candle? 73 points. Oh my God. Oh no! Don't worry about missing. You don't miss anything. We don't miss. What the heck? This is the freaking gap. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I was like, let's look for shorts until the gap gets filled. The gap is filled in 1 minute. In 1 minute, 2 minutes, the gap is freaking filled. Absolutely insane. Look at these things, guys. Look at this. Oh my God. I'm gonna wait. I don't have to rush. Absolutely. What the heck? I don't know. If you took short there at the start of the day, you're done, guys. Yo, it's insane. Get short. To be honest, I'm impressed. I'm really impressed by this move. We took everything. We took the lows of London, the Asian lows. We took everything out. This is yesterday closing, and this was the closing of yesterday. So we took already. We already filled the gap. We already filled, not ES gap. Let me put ES gap here. ES gap is lower. We did not fill it. So we might even go a bit lower because of ES. Oof. It's gonna be an interesting day, guys. Absolutely insane. That is the day where you're like, what the heck I'm gonna do? I'm shorting these things. I'm gonna keep shorting it. I'm impressed. I had too much volatility. I hate too much. Yeah, this is insane. Really nice buys. I'm thinking I'm right now conflicted, to be honest. I'm like, nice buy, because overall we are retesting, we're closing the gap. At the same time, I'm like, ooh, some quick nice scalp short for continuation lower. We sell strong. We have time to make even a little bit more downside until the 600s that I like. A bit complicated. A bit complicated, guys. The 700s here above. Not easy situation right now to decide of taking longs or taking shorts. Taking shorts is the one that for the moment makes a little bit more sense for me. I mean, we sold strong. If I have to play something, I don't want to play the bounce. The bounce, probably I will start to play it if we start to see something, okay, we push and we make a little higher low and then we start pushing, okay. But right now I don't see it. It looks like it wants to go a bit more lower. The gap right now of yesterday got filled. That's what is right now holding. Then we will look for, look, it's coming already lower. There is nothing right now to stop this shit. There is nothing to stop these things to come back lower. Okay, it's already doing it. Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. We're going so much fast. I'm gonna look at 660 if it wants to free me for a quick short there. It's going. It's going, guys. It's going, it's going, it's going. It's going. We will see step by step if we can get some scalps. We'll give it the time it needs. Oh my god, I'm so sleepy. Okay, we're gonna get short. We are short. Good luck to everyone. Maybe I'm gonna get destroyed by these. Maybe yes, maybe no. Time will tell us. Time will tell us. Okay. Might get out quicker. Ready? Out. Everything? Yes. Again, get me filled again at 660. No, don't get FOMO, Tomato. Don't get FOMO. Don't get FOMO. Alfonso did enter short in that value FVG. Let's see if I get filled again. Almost got filled again. It almost filled me again. It didn't. Freaking hell, it didn't. It was been already other 10 points very quick. That would have an amazing 10 points more. Oh, this thing is selling off. Just trying to be careful of where it might stop. And I'm looking at 600. Okay, it's gonna fill me again at 600. Filled again at 600, guys. Short again. Give me this 50 again. Oh my God, give me this 50 again. I closed one contract. Oh, that was good to close it. One. Interesting. Am I gonna get screwed now? I don't think so. I think we're still very shorty. Good morning, Mufti. Amen. Don't worry for the moment. We did a huge candle to the downside, and we're right now waiting to see if we can get. Let's add the contract I sold. If it wants to fill me. Okay, now I'm back to the free contracts again. I'm gonna play with it. This does look weak. I like it. Still like it. I'm literally scalping these 5 points with one contract over and over again until the last 2 contracts get sold there. Okay, nicely. $123 just scalping the 60s, guys. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. Wow. Fill me again at the 60s. I don't care. Fill me again at the 60s. I'm fine with it. I like the weak idea, so I'm gonna try to get filled again at the 60s. Until I don't see this. Okay, I'm gonna fill it again. Until I see this ES not getting filled yet, I will look for shorts. Wow. Let's go. Let's go. These 60s. Fill me again. I don't care. Fill me again on the 60s. I'm gonna get filled again on the 60s. Until it does not take this low again. Okay, I'm filled again on the short, guys. Absolutely insane. Let's see, take 5 points out. Now let's calm down. I'm up $200. Let's calm down. I took so many shorts on the 60s. Absolutely insane. Now give it a moment of cool down. 10 minutes have passed, and that's already $200. These accounts are getting back alive, guys. Now we are at almost $1,000 of drawdown from $300 in the last days. Now we cool down a little bit. I'm gonna look into it. Let's see. If I like more. Yeah, they're coming out from death. They're coming out from the death, guys. Absolutely insane. It happened again, right? It happened again. The 60s again are getting rejected and back here. So many times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and I was taking as well the 5 points instead of 10. Absolutely insane. Yeah, Roshinko, I will be careful. But if a day like this appears, let's push it for. If it happens, let's push it. I have right now $200 on my pocket. that I can use to I'll push a little bit more, maybe choose more scalps if the market is nice on me. And now is the, well, okay, now we're breaking the laws. Absolutely. Tomato, don't do the same mistake of yesterday. Okay, Tomato, you are a consistent trader, disciplined trader. Now over 1,000. Okay, my friend, you know what to do. My God, guys, we are flying. We are flying. 5 minutes? And almost 2K. What the? Man. I don't know when you call yourself out from a trade, but today, my friend, you call yourself out when you're done. And you promise to us. As your friends, as we care about you more than many of your flat. How much you're up? Down. How much you're up? Hopefully up. How much you're up? 1,000. Is it enough, or you want to trade more? Or your process tells you to trade more? What your strategy and process tells you? What's your way of trading tells you? If you're down, locked out now. Okay. Now promise to us. Promise to our friendship. Promise to us you're not gonna trade anymore today. Promise to us. Because now, if you do it again, you're breaking our word with us. So we are here to make you accountable. No, don't say that, Mufti. Don't say that. Don't say that. No, the number doesn't mean anything. Let's go. That's the way. That's the way. Consistent. Wow. Some candles insane here. Oh, Omar. Yeah, right now I'm relaxed. But very good job, Tomato. Very good job, my friend. Very good job. Very good job. Calling yourself out is great. Yesterday, my friend, 177 trades, something like that, you've taken. Oh, sure. But, yeah, no, don't write these sentences. Really, don't write these sentences. Should, would. Don't make you rich. I should have bought Bitcoin 10 years ago. I should have bought. I should have sold from here. Why did not you didn't sell from here? Why did you not sell from here? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It does not matter. What you see after you closing the trades doesn't matter anymore. It's easy to. When you stop to have that mentality of should, would, etc., is that the moment you are more statistic mindset and you're like, I've done what I knew. My data until that moment were from here. The candle pulled back. I call myself out. That's why you flattened, because the candle went back against you. Right? If you keep the mindset of should, would, tomorrow the candle come back, you're like, I'm gonna keep my trade position. Boom, against you. And you get stopped out for minus $500 from being up $2,000. And then you're like, I should have sold my position. And then next day you do deposit and the market goes even more down. I should have kept it. We don't give a shit about should, would. It is what it is. You keep going, my friend. Let's freaking go. You are the tomato you want to be. Nice tomato that is red, nicely cooked, with some eggs. That's some weird shit I said, but yeah. Yeah, guys, don't punch a pillow. Punch a pillow, scream at a pillow, but don't punch yourself. Don't hurt yourself, guys. We're getting some kind of some reversal right now there. Beautiful reversal candle here. But still very short bias right now. It's still a little bit more short bias. Even if we are at this area for a test right now. You retest this 600? Not really. Kind of 610 here. We tested this area. Interesting, very interesting, guys. Tomato expense are activation fees, evaluation fees, phone broke this month, 2, new phone bought, free, to cover the new one for the next one. Go tomato, go tomato. You promised to us you're not gonna trade anymore. I really don't have to stay here. You don't have to stay here. I promise. When you're done trading and you're done trading, just close everything and go. Really. I prefer you doing that, seeing you succeed. I don't care about one more view, less one view. I want each one of you guys succeed. So what are we gonna do here? I'm still very short bias, looking for maybe to scalp again the 50. Oh, look at the 60s again, guys. The 60 came out, boom, out 50. Oh, it's coming so interesting, guys. These 50s, also these 50s are interesting for a short. These 50s here. Just gonna give it a little bit of time. I have a lot of time. Okay, let me switch off the air conditioner, guys. By the way, I have to switch off the camera because I don't have shorts. Yes, I'm brutally honest. I'm brutally honest. I don't have a McLaren behind me, and I don't have shorts. So first, I need money to buy shorts. And then I need money to buy a McLaren to put behind. Could turn bullish, 667, somewhere here. Yes, I'm looking, this is, yeah, but still for me, to think about bullishness, I really have to see up and down first. So right now I'm still, especially after this huge downside, usually we see a bit downside, some consolidation, and then a little bit more, second leg, because we have space. We have space from yesterday. Look at this huge push. So we have space to take a little bit more. At least that's my idea. And we have news here above. I texted, what is it? Oh, what is my news? What is my news? Oh, wow. Here. How can I make it smaller? Freaking hell. I don't know. I just keep the sides, okay. I saw driving around, I saw that candle down. Sure, yeah, man. Yeah, funny things, Tomato logged in after this candle. And he traded this part. That's the funny things. Tomato did not make money in this candle. He was logged out as well. He saw it, he was like, I'm logging in. And then he starts shorting. So he made money outside that candle. That candle, the first candle there, insane. If we go to the 1 minute chart, at 1 minute from the opening, you made 50 points. 2 minutes holding that things, 80 points. And right now, we're pushing back a little bit. Now we're pushing. Now maybe it's the reversal like Afonso said. Let's see, very interesting situation. Is it the reversal or is that's gonna be interesting right now to switch to potential little bit of long plays. Yeah. He started trading after, logged in after. Paul, your first day with your 150k account. Consistency, risk management is the key. Nice, yes, nice day for the moment. Nice day. Let's see if we can get 2-3 more scalps. These accounts here, oh my god, guys, 290, almost 99,000. Oh my god, we're so back at almost break even on the 300k. 50,600 on this one, $2,000 more for the payout. And for the moment, I'm playing 3 micro contracts. That is perfect for my point right now. It's perfect. You make $100, $200 on the day. Sometimes you'll break even. It means that if it goes well, maybe in 20-30 days, you request a payout without risking too much. So sometimes I call myself out with $150 loss. Small scalps, love that, man. Good morning, Radwan. 50k looks good. Your 50k looks good, yeah, man. And the others are recovering. Now I'm almost $1,000 of drawdown from 300, guys. So these accounts are alive. This one has now 4,400 of drawdown, 4,500, and this one almost 5,000, even more, 5,000 drawdown here. So right now I'm debating on. I want to wait to see what the market wants to do. Are we gonna push even more? Then pushing even more, we look for like more long bias. Or we come back, retest this situation. That I think is mostly doable. Retest and we push higher, and then that is like the confirmation that we're literally reversing. Or if this does not hold and it come back slower, then I will start again back looking for shorts. So below this, I'm looking for shorts. Above this, I'm looking for longs. That's the idea. That's the plan. That's the idea. That's the plan. That's how I'm reading the market today. We have news. We have news at 9:45 that are already gone. Okay, we don't have even to think about this. It's gone. News is gone. And was it at 9:45? Yes, and we have the 15 minutes range. I forgot, guys. I forgot. 15 minutes range is here. Wow. So we faked out the 15 minutes range. We faked out the 15 minutes range there. This is the 15 minutes range. Interesting. Let me just move it a little bit on the left so I can see all the candles. So news are out. We're inside the 50 minutes range. We took the lows of the 50 minutes range. Very interested of looking longs right now that I see as well more this. We've taken the low. We faked it out. Wow, that's beautiful push there. 700s right now getting rejected. But oh, look at this V reversal here coming on ES. Beautiful there. We've as well almost closed the gap on ES. Beautiful. Who's looking for long right now or still looking for shorts? Where are you guys on this situation? Where are you in this situation? Tell me more, tell me more. What do you think, guys, we're gonna do? What do you think we're gonna do? What do you think we're gonna do? 623, you were long? Are you joking? Yo, man, you were long at 623? You got out at... Wow! You got 50 points trade? Amazing. Amazing. Literally amazing. Nothing to say. Check Discord. I'm gonna check Discord right now. That's that's beautiful. So you went long, you got stopped out almost in break-even there, break-even. Then you went long on that nice. That's amazing. $114. One contract, one micro contract, I guess. Right? Yeah, one micro contract to get. That's amazing, man. That's a beautiful trade. Beautiful. Beautiful. You and Jose is using the same type of candles. I should maybe use the same one so I can look cool like you guys. That's insane. Like one MNQ made you, because when you see this candle here, this downside momentum, one MNQ is enough to make you good money. There's no need to push it that much. I'm looking at the 660 or 70 as a little bounce here. We reached the half of the 50 minutes range there. I'm trying just to read the market for a next possible scalp. Wow. Yeah, I totally agree, man. When you lower your sides, your brain is so more relaxed to see stuff and handle them without problem. If you were with one MNQ here, doubts can get in. You're like, oh, is that a bit too risky? You start to think this is too much quick. It's gonna continue lower. I should not take it. It's gonna be $400 loss. But you take it. You're like, it's down to the next V reversal. One MNQ. How much I'm losing? Okay, for $40, I make 100. Let's try it. It's huge difference. Nice push here. Very nice push. I'm looking to understand if this is just a fake push and it's not holding, because it's already touched the 70s here and it already went to the 80s. Wow, that was already a quick retest on the 70s. Oh, good entry here on the fair value gap. I see this fair value gap here you're speaking about. That's beautiful entry. I do believe this is going to continue longer. I do believe so. I'm looking if I can get a scalp. I can enter on a scalp on the 70s, get on the 60s, and call myself out at the 50s. So I will lose with 6 contracts. Average down at 65, I will lose around $180. So I will lose the Maya. How much again? Yeah, it's the game. It's the game of acceptance. But that was a nice 70s there retest. Look at this, very quick 80s twice happened to go. It went to 80s, come back 70s, 80s. How many points do you get per trade now? 10 points. Even honestly, in this case, you could have done even 20 points for volatility. Volatility wise is big. So but here I did amazing to do 10 points because I did quite a few times. I think it depends on the volatility. If volatility is high, you increase it. If volatility is low, you go for 6, 7, 8 points. The most important is that when you're not nailing the direction, you call yourself out, right? If I'm thinking that this is gonna bounce and continue higher, let's don't screw everything up looking for a dream that this is gonna bounce and continue higher. Call yourself out and look for the next trade. This is beautiful, guys. This is looking interesting for some scalps long. I'm gonna wait. I have time. Yeah, man. These 70s here on this area were interesting, to be honest. They were just very interesting. Quick 70s there, quick bounce. As a day like this, if done correctly, you can bring it $400 a day on a day, or $400 on a day. Insane. You can take a few scalps and the right things. Like how many scalps I took before? I think I took 4 scalps, but I scalped one contract as well. One contract out. Yeah. Also these 80s. So 688 must be conquered. 88. Here, just above here. This candle, I see. Now I'm looking to see if this wants to come back a little bit. Let's see. It's coming back already. Interesting. The 5-minute chart. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. I'll show you guys. Yeah, beautiful. 5-minute chart. Look at the 5-minute chart. Push down, and this is looking wants to go a bit lower, right? 30-minute chart is freaking the downside momentum as well. The 1-hour chart is the one that is in the opposite direction, retest and trying to push. So it's a bit of a tricky game right now. You're looking at the 5-minute chart, looking you to downside. You see me here. 30 minutes as well. 1 hour is a bit tricky. So that's why I'm like right now very careful, and I'm looking at this level as a direction wise. If this does not hold, I'm starting looking for shorts again, guys. But right now it's holding. This shit is holding. Alright, Mufti, see you tomorrow, man. Thank you so much for coming as always. You've done amazing. Thank you for coming as always, man. Hopefully, finger crossed. Today was the shorting eval. Freaking YOLO some evaluation here. That would have been the best things ever. Good luck, brother. Looking at these 70s. Look at these 70s here. Very nicely. 1, 2, 3. These 70s are working so well. If I had a little bit more confidence, this was already 1 2 scalps done. Do you know how much money you must spend at your location and food? I wanted to think about it more because it's awesome. Do you know how much money you must spend at your location and food? What do you mean by that? I wanted to think about it more because it's awesome. Mufti. Mufti. Look at that, 70s again. What do you mean, Paul? Oh, I was 70s that I didn't trust because of these 30 minutes and 5 minutes being against the direction of upside. So that's why I didn't take it. But this freaking, it's working well there. Look at that. On the 70s. Wow. That was already really done on the day with these scalps on the 70s. Push, scalp, long, 1 2. How many would have been? I think even more. If I go to 30-second chart, now make it take a 10-second chart there. Oh my god, not 1 month, what 1 month, oh my god. What? On the 670s, it happened here once. Oh no, not that many times. Once and twice. I thought it happened more times. 1 retest, but this one did not. Oh no, this is 80s. Yeah, out already here. Yeah. 1, twice, 3 times. This is getting interesting for a quick scalp again, more long. If it comes back at 80s, I might try a long. If it does not, then I have to wait for this to break above and come back to retest the 700 and 690. That's the only things I can do right now. It's a matter of waiting. Can it come back? And I would be happy to get filled. Let's see. Let me see if let me see first if we can get filled at 80s. Then I will reply to that question. Idea. We're speaking about ideas. I don't like to have an order here that is in the middle of nowhere, but I think it wants to break the 700s. So can we go back? I mean, can probably. No, pre-market high is is very far. And this low was not taken yesterday yet. Oh no, this is the 30s. Yeah, this is yesterday. Okay, I got filled. I'm not very happy to get filled, to be honest, guys. After I saw the higher market side, I'm gonna call myself out from this trade if I get out. I knew it. I'm not very happy with this entry, to be honest. I'm gonna call myself out. Okay, I'm gonna call myself out, guys. I'm gonna wait a little bit more. Because as much as I look at the chart, and I wanna go to the daily chart. Okay, let's move this shit here out from here. The daily chart does not have every candle. That sucks. Let me remove some things here. We've taken few lows yesterday. We've taken previous day low, and we pushed freaking strong afterwards. We're all-time highs retesting this area, the 600s. Yeah, a bit complicated, huh? Because yesterday we closed the candle here. So this candle is huge bullish. It's closing at here 665. So we closed very strong. Yeah, it can, I'm gonna say it can still come back lower. Just because that push of yesterday, all this push here, usually it likes to come back through it. And this low here, it's insane. All these people that were buying here for this massive push, might be the market wants to come back and get them. It's very far, but this is just speculations. But I'm guessing that. I'm happy I call myself out there. Probably would have taken to TP anyway, I'm not sure, but I prefer to be out from the trade. I'm gonna wait until I see we're outside this bullshit situation, the 700 here above, and this 650 and 60s, 660s. Let me get out from this. And then if it come back, I will try to look for shorts. And shorts are more comfortable for me than longs right now. I have to be honest. I mean, we're already up to 2,836 on the day. Yeah? That's a beautiful day. We recovered a lot of loss. Wow. We are recovering so much losses. I honestly, many of these accounts, I wanted to give up on them. I was like, peace and love, you can blow up. And sometimes, right, when you have accounts for a long time, you just want them dead. You just want them to disappear. Why still bother? Omar made $180 today. Mufti with that beautiful $114 long. What a beautiful trader. What a freaking beautiful trader. Afonso, you were short, right? It is with Apex trading that when my trade goes into profit 1K and it comes back to break even, I eventually made minus 1K. Essentially, yes, you lost $1,000 of drawdown. That's only if you're making all-time high balance. Let's say, for example, you made $1,000 in profit, you closed it in break even, you lost $1,000 of drawdown. Next trade you take, it goes back to again $1,000 in profit, come back in break even, your drawdown did not move. Because you have to, the drawdown just moves an all-time high peaks of the balance of the account. Did it go today? Did you shorted, right, Afonso? I remember you shorted. You said. As I'm gonna wait for this. Welcome, Legend. If you have any other questions, let me know. I can help you on Apex questions. Prop firms in general, yes. Apex 100%. The drawdown of Apex is evaluations and funded accounts only until you get to threshold of payouts. Then it stops. It does not move anymore. You shorted, right? How was it? Did you make money or whatever? I already banked. I love that. That's the perfect way. Yes, my code is Hamza. Right now, you have only 50% discount, and I appreciate you. Usually, you have as well 80 and 90%. We had only a few days ago. So sometimes you just wait a little bit, and maybe an 80% comes out. So that's my advice. That's my advice, my friend. But if not 50%, it's right now. But yeah, just to let you know. And always my code will give you the best discount there is available. If it's 80, if it's 90, if it's 50. Right now it's 50. Hopefully soon 80 or 90 again, who knows. Yes, we are chip chopping right now. We're in a situation where market is doesn't really know what to do. Seems it's more bullish right now on the 3-minute chart when you look at that higher low. But yeah, on the higher time frame, 30 minutes is ugly as hell. 5 minutes is more ugly. That's a bit, I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. Why stress myself? Why stress myself? La 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 la. Just waiting for this market to get the freaking out from this area, or go lower or go higher. So then I know what to freaking to do. Okay, you want to go lower? Go lower, close lower, so I can start shorting the 60s again. You want to go higher? Go higher. Then I go long on the 70s and the 700s. Can we see dip to 500s? Can we see dip to 500s? I mean, yesterday lows here at 350. So yeah, 100, very possible. If we start to break these lows here, yeah, I will say very good chance. 500 is even, yeah, 500 are doable if we break the low of the day. This 15 minutes range right now, it's playing with you guys. 15 minutes range is huge. So I don't know, guys. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. I just, you know, it's, you see, it's a choppy moment, and I just want a little bit of a understanding for, because I don't want to enter right now. Let's say, for example, I start to play long, and this thing crashes, then I'm gonna get destroyed, or I go short, and this is in reality just a retest and continuation higher. But if I wait, it comes back lower, and I play some short here, then it's, I feel it's more statistic on my side. Anyway, now I realize I realized for a few days, but Nick is disappeared in this chat. Where is Nick? I'm gonna tag him. Where has been Nick? I just tagged him in Discord. I was like, what the heck? Where have you been, Nick? Payouts will come, guys. Payouts will come soon again, and that's gonna be more videos and more videos. It's gonna be fun, guys. Okay, we're selling, guys. We're selling. All these buyers here, oh, they will accelerate this downside. All these people that were buying here, thinking for a reversal, they're gonna be the one making the acceleration to the downside. And it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming, guys. We're coming lower. We're coming lower, and I'm liking this idea of shorting, scalping some shorts to the downside, trying to take again the lows. Right now, it's a matter of time of looking where this candle closes, and then decide if we're gonna short now. Looking at the 650s and 60s. 60s again would be amazing. 50s, I will be there too to watch them. I'm looking for a little bit more downside, guys. This is coming to be interesting for some short side. That's some interesting candle there here. Okay. 40 seconds, then I will define if I'm gonna short or not. I'm looking as well at the 5-minute chart. I'm looking as well at the 30-minute chart. I'm looking as well at the 1-hour chart. These are the hard charts. I don't understand my freaking camera when it does not show correctly. What the heck it happened there? Ten seconds. Oh, that's a pushy candle there, huh? Let's see. Oh, okay. Closing now. Closing now. 50s again here. I like the idea of shorts. I like the idea of shorts. Who's here still trading, guys? Who's here still trading? I like the idea of trying to take again the lows. Just looking at this, how these market candles evolve. But it does look interesting for more lows. I put there at 60s. If I get filled, at 60s will be the best. 60s come back, go lower again. 50s will be if this candle closes lower, below the 50s. Then I will look for. I'm here, bro. Yeah, Fonso. There, brother. We're here. We're making it happen together. 4:25 p.m. here. 3:25 from Alfonso. Okay, we're coming a little. Come on. I like the 5-minute candle closed red. The 5-minute candle there here above me, above my face. That closed red. This. Okay, it's coming lower. Okay, wow. Okay. Without it wants to come lower. It's okay. You can go lower. It's okay. You give us just more confirmation that this market wants to sell off a little bit more. 50s? You wanna give us the 50s? I accept the 50s. Don't take the lows before filling me at least in one short, right? That would be very sad. I've been waiting for this to break lower. So, okay. All these people that were buying, guys, are getting destroyed right now. This acceleration is coming strong. If all these people here, they are gonna get destroyed. $50 range there. 40s are here. Can be a quick retest, a quick short too. But I prefer if I get the 50s. Give me the 50s. Just I want to be more on a safe side than. Forties. Short in the 40s. Okay, it's not coming to the 50s. No, you don't. I won't call you crazy. Just you definitely, it can be. So right now we're freaking pushing there. Let me remove this order before I get filled. That's because we got the 50s very quick, strongly here. Oh my God. I'm gonna put the order there. If I like this short idea, this candle is huge. Okay, I will try to get these 50s. If it feels me, it wants to feel me again. Maybe I lost my opportunity there. Maybe I lost my opportunity. But it's okay. I prefer losing the opportunity than making bad decisions. That 50s was a quick trade, huh? Quick, very quick trade. Very quick trade on the 50s there. $23 seconds, closing right now. I still like the short idea. If this candle closes below the 40s, I will short the 40s. It's literally closed on the 40s. What the heck? It just literally closed on the 40s. I was like, if it closes below the 40s, it closes on the 40s. Let's see. I'm gonna get filled. Good chance. $50s, short. Wow. Filled, guys. I'm short. Good luck to us. 60s, I will give it a shot on the 60s too. Outside the 60, the 50, 65 here, I'm out. Okay, come on, give me these 50s right away. Give me these 40s again. Okay, did not. Wow, that was quick. Let's see if I'm gonna get screwed. All this waiting and I'm gonna get screwed by these trades. It's gonna be a good chance. This 45, piece of shit, 45. Can you go lower the 45? Yeah. Oh, piece of crap. It went to 45 3 times. 45 3 times, and it doesn't. Okay. It's okay. We're gonna look. We're still short. I do like again more the short idea still. We are still very bearish. You missed the background music? Ah, because I have it, right? I have the background music. I forgot. Man, no, I cannot run. During the day, run, impossible for me. In the evening, yes. A sunset moment is perfect, but... Oh my God, guys, I'm getting crazy for this. Can you take me out? Oh, la la. Take me out, piece of crap. Freaking piece of crap. Oh, I'm not out. Oh my God, I'm not out in all accounts. Okay, I'm out in every account. Wow. 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 Now I'm all out. Yes, GG. Yeah, I really forgot I have a background music. Sometimes I forget about that. Nice. Short at 50s were great idea. Iron Man next year. I respect that, man. I respect, man. I respect everyone that push their limit to the next one. I really respect that. We have, for me, this is the 50 minutes range, right? This is the yesterday closing. We pushed mid of the 50 minutes range. We come back, we retest this area. That was the only area that could have kept these things going longer because it was the closing of yesterday. And we used it here as a resistance. We used it as a support. And if this thing does not hold anymore, this thing does nothing. There is nothing for it to go. This thing is gonna sell off. That's my idea. If I have to do a prediction game and betting on this and stuff like that, I'm gonna say this can go up to 500s, 100%. I'm gonna bet on the 500s before the closing of today. If I have to bet on something. If I have to bet on something. I mean, it's days like this I can do much more, but yeah, sometimes I'm you get a little bit scared. But here could have done a little. For example, I'm very happy I removed myself from the long here. That was a very good read. I was like, wait, this market does not look wants to push higher. Let's call yourself out and wait for this to call, or hold the 700s above, or be below the 660. Wow, it was a great call. I probably left my, I don't know. That was a difficult one. I'm glad I'm not anymore in a trader. But if we break the lows, I'm out for the day. I'm not gonna short and trade anymore. Then it gives me have to wait for this to come lower, maybe retest the range if it does not break the low. Beautiful, guys. Very beautiful. We spent $20 in commission on the 50K accounts. Yeah, right, Paul. I'm very happy how we are playing in the mindset of, okay, let's see how the daily chart is doing. Let's see how the hour chart is doing. Freaking took all-time high yesterday, and this market is selling off quick. Let's switch to short. I'm very happy how we're playing it in the mindset. I'm short from 670. Beautiful short, Alfonso. Good luck, my friend. If this thing breaks the lows of the day, insane. I believe, but you have to hope for the breakout. Ciao, Alex. Benvenuto. I'm probably gonna call it soon if this does not show anything. I mean, as well, a short at 640 is interesting, to be honest. It makes it interesting. Not even yes to any lows. So short here 640, come back here 630, very doable. Even, oh wow, 630 quick. Oh, we're coming down. Alfonso, let's see. Put the belt, because you're ready for some roller coaster there. If this thing does not break us right now, I'm interested to looking at the break live with you guys. Okay, we're breaking. Let's see. That things, all these people were buying here, they had their stop loss here. So let's see how it rolls. We'll hold it. Good luck, my friend. Good luck. I follow your strategy, follow your plan. These things is interesting. So let's see if we're gonna close outside the 50 minutes range. Are we gonna make finally a closure outside the 50 minutes range? That's gonna be interesting. One more minute for this 3 minutes candle to close. Rip to all longs, right? Oh yeah, I'm so happy I took my short bias there. Short bias here. I was long here and I called myself out very quick, then short again. Beautiful. Here was insane, guys. We shorted it 63 times or 4 times, and we could have shorted 5-6 times. Insane. Okay, okay. Candle is closing inside the 50 minutes range or not yet? 20 seconds. 20 seconds. The last 10 seconds are the most important one. Let's see. And the 5 minutes candle is closing in 1 minute. And this thing is closing on the freaking line. Absolutely insane. It's closing on the line. Yeah, I'm gonna call it like that, guys. Afonso, I wish you the best for the short. It does look interesting. That's good luck to you on how you handle it and everything. For the rest, guys, thank you so much for coming here. That was a beautiful day. Short bias was the right things. And let's keep scalping like that. Tomorrow we see each other tomorrow at 9:30 Eastern time. See you on Discord as well. I'm gonna share my results there as well. Guys, love you all. Peace and love. Peace and love, guys. Out, bro. Yes, man. Alora, then you're good, man. You're good, man. See you guys. Love you all.